So there are a few other animation strategies that you can use in Keynote that really might amp up your animation game. The two strategies I'm going to show you include using video and Gifs with the background removed. So when you use a video, you are going to want to either take the video yourself or ensure that the video is one that you can use because it doesn't have like a copyright license attached to it. And you can search like copyright free videos or try Britannica Image Quest, for example, for different video types. The one I'm going to use is one that I took myself on my phone. I'm going to go to Media, choose, and then I'm going to grab this video, and it's big enough that it's going to fill the whole slide. So it inserted my video, and now I can choose Animate. And for build order, I want this not to start on click, but to start after the transition into the new slide. So my movie is going to start right away. All right, now I'm going to add a GIF over top of this. And here's a quick way to find GIFs to use. I'm going to go to the website unscreen.com and I am going to search for a GIF. Now you can upload a clip, like a video clip, and remove the background, but I'm just going to search for a GIF here. And this is pulling them from Giphy. So I am going to look for birds. And this one looks good, so I'm going to touch on that. And it is removing the background. Okay, and I can see that the background's removed. I am going to download this, pop back over into Keynote, and then go to Media, choose. From my downloads, it's the birds GIF. Okay, and then I can actually resize that. And I am going to add in this build order as well. So I have that selected. Go to build order. I want this to also begin with build 1. And now if I preview it, I'll see that everything's starting together. Let's go to play. And there we go. So I can now go up to File, Export to, and choose to either export this as a movie or as an animated GIF. So that's two other ways that you can create animations inside Keynote and then export them to do something else with them.